Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So, back in August, I posted a video letting you know that Microsoft could be returning to its MSN roots, so to speak, in the Edge browser. Because as I mentioned in that video, which will be linked down below and in the end screen, because it'll give you all the information you would need if you would like to play catch-up. Back then, in Edge Canary 129, Microsoft Start had been replaced with MSN on the new tab page. Now, I did notice today in my region, on both my devices, in the stable version of Microsoft Edge, that as you can see, Microsoft Start has been replaced with MSN. So the fact that it's on both my devices in the stable version means that this now could be rolling out by default. So just making you aware of it in case you're wondering what's going on. And if you click on MSN, it still takes you over to Microsoft Start because the tab says Microsoft Start, but the page now says MSN, and then obviously you can refresh that page and you've got your news feed and such and so on. So interesting what Microsoft is doing here. I haven't heard anything from Microsoft side why they are actually changing Microsoft Start on the new tab page back to MSN, because they've come full circle. It used to be MSN, then became Microsoft Start. Now it's MSN again, but the tab is still telling me Microsoft Start, but the page is saying MSN. So not quite sure what Microsoft's up to here, but go check that other video out. It'll give you a lot more information if you would be interested. And obviously, if I get any info or any official news from Microsoft why they are now starting to come full circle and heading back to MSN in Edge, I'll keep you in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.